Today, I'm going to show you how to put Calendly on your Canva website. This is a fantastic way to streamline scheduling by embedding your booking calendar directly into your site, making it easier for visitors to book appointments without leaving your page. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Calendly dashboard where you can manage all your scheduling needs. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a list of all your events displayed. These are the different types of appointments or meetings you've set up for people to book with you. Take a moment to browse through them and identify which specific event you want to embed on your Canva website. When you've found the event you want to use, look beside it and you'll notice a copy link option. Click on this to copy the event link to your clipboard. This link is what connects your Calendly booking page to your Canva site, so make sure you've copied the correct one. Now it's time to switch over to your Canva project. Open the website design you're working on in Canva. On the left side of your screen, you'll see various editing options. Click on Text to access the text tools, then select Add a text box. This creates a placeholder where you can insert your Calendly link with your text box selected. Look for the link icon in the toolbar. Click on it and you'll see a field where you can paste your link. Go ahead and paste the Calendly link you copied earlier into this field. This step connects your text element to your Calendly event. Next, you'll need to change how this link displays on your website. Click on the Display Mode drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Embed. This is crucial because it tells Canva to display your Calendly event as an interactive calendar right on your page, rather than just opening it in a new tab. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the embed loads. Canva will process the link and convert it into a fully functional Calendly widget. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection, so be patient. Once the loading is complete, you'll see your Calendly event appear directly on your Canva website, fully interactive and ready for visitors to book appointments. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Calendly on your Canva website, giving your visitors a seamless way to schedule time with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.